Hello Team TFT, welcome back to the Wednesday's edition of the Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to cover the DXY, Euro and the GBP pair. Looking at today's economic calendar, as you can see, we're pretty good here all the way through till the start of the New York session, where we have a bit of red news there, and then another piece about 2 hours into the New York session as well. We have another bit of red USD news there. So something to be considerate of, moving into that time. So, if you're going to be taking any trades or whatever, just be a little bit careful of that timing. So as we can see yesterday, we did actually ultimately have that push down and breaking through this lower structure here, going at the 4 hour. So we're looking at this area here. So we saw that break of that structure there now. So basically what we're looking at doing is obviously continuing down lower, but we also need to assume, are we going to see a little bit of a pullback in here before going down lower, or are we just going to continue to dive down? But ultimately down into this lower region down here is where we're looking to go to, in the near future. So basically 4 hour is bearish. So we are looking for 15-minute bearish trades as well. So we come here, we have a look at yesterday's price action. So as discussed yesterday, we're looking for either a break high and a push low, or we're looking for a break low, a midline retest, and then obviously going lower again, which we got. So anyone that was looking at trading the New York session there yesterday, we got that perfect little setup at the start of the New York, pushing down into that area there. So basically today, same sort of thing that we're going to be looking for. Are we going to see a maneuver back up here before going low? If we do see this push back up, then ultimately I'll just be waiting until it gets up into this area before coming low. That may take a day or so to play out. Or if we see a break to the low side, I'll look for that retest to come down lower into this area. So that's what I'm looking for on the Dixie today. Euro is exactly the same thing. So we saw obviously this break high yesterday. So again, we were looking for the same sort of scenario on the Euro. We're looking for a possible pull down and reversal, which we obviously didn't get. But we're also looking for this scenario, the break high, come back, retest around that midline and go long, which is what we discussed on yesterday's video. Obviously got that quite well. Came back down here. If we do a bit of a quick analysis here, we can see here 15-minute had created a bit of a liquidity area here, started to then obviously break away, came back down, broke that liquidity area there, and then obviously turned straight away and went and broke structure highs through here like this. So we know that where there's market manipulation, we know there's open orders that need to be reclosed. So basically this area here was looking really good for a long position. Looking really good for a long position, and as we saw, came back down around that New York session time, tapped into that area, and then got that big expansion from there. So really great little setup there for anyone that was watching for that to play out. Obviously, with my time zones, I only trade this section of the London, so it wasn't much setup in there for me, but anyone who's able to trade the New York session obviously would have had a great little setup there. Now, looking for today, so we can get rid of this area now. So basically we are bullish 4 hour, which means we're bullish 15. We're looking for a bullish 15-minute. We do have a bullish 15-minute at the moment, and we are working currently within this impulse leg here. So basically what we will be looking for is a possible reach down to this area to go long from. And again, same as the Dixie, that may take a day or so to get down into there, but I'll wait for it to come back down and fill all this imbalance. Or we may possibly see the impulse to go up into this big area up here. And obviously once we get up into that area, then we're waiting to see, are we going to see that rejection out of that area, or are we going to see obviously a large impulse up into that area and a break. So basically that's what we're looking for at the moment. Still staying bullish on the Euro until we are, until the trend tells us otherwise. So that's basically what we're looking for at the moment. GU yesterday obviously had that impulse as well, but it just kept going. Never gave us that break and retest that we were looking for here. So honestly, we are currently looking at, we can see here we've had this impulse up. we've had a pullback. We've then had another impulse higher, which did break structure, but only with a wick. So let's check on our line chart. It did actually set another high there. So basically what we are looking for now is that we are currently working within this 15-minute leg. So what we would like to see today, if we're going to continue bullish, is that we see a hold or a rejection from this area here. So are we going to see what we'd be looking for today would be a pull down into this area to go long, and making sure that this area holds. If this area breaks, then we wait and see what price action plays out, and we make more decisions from there. So basically that's what I'm looking for at the moment, or we see a break high, retest and go long. So basically that's my analysis for today, guys. Again, remember, if you're looking at taking any of these trades, please make sure you've got your own entry cues on what you're looking for that are back tested, and you have you've got confidence in. Don't just go trading out of these areas willy-nilly. We need to see the right price action starting to play out before we start taking trades just in these areas that we're looking for. Otherwise, you'll end up getting into the wrong trades. Righto, guys, thanks again for jumping on today, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.